I'm gonna say something that might upset the marketing world. You can't create demand. Not really. You can't make someone want something they already don't want. You can't manufacture hunger. You can only sell food to people who are already hungry. And let's talk about it. Demand generation sounds powerful. It sounds like you're flipping a switch and making people crave your offer. But think about it. Did Apple create demand for smartphones? Or were people already craving faster communication, better technology, and more convenience? Now, businesses don't create desire. They identify and amplify it, and they position themselves in front of it. And that's a huge difference. If you believe you can create demand from nothing, you are gonna waste money. You will try to convince uninterested people. You'll target cold audiences with messages that just don't resonate. And you'll blame your offer when the real issue is misalignment. You don't need better persuasion. You need better targeting and positioning. Demand already exists in the market and your job is to capture it. When marketers say generate demand, what they really mean is educate people who already have a problem, increase awareness of a solution, and move someone from unaware to aware to ready. And that's not creating demand. That is activating existing demand. And that's a big difference. You're not making something out of nothing, but rather taking advantage of an opportunity that already existed. And the smartest companies don't try to force interest. They find the people already searching. They speak directly to their pain, show up consistently, and make the buying decision easier. And that is leverage. Because when someone already wants the result, you don't have to convince them that the result matters. You just have to prove that you are the best way to get there. And that's how you find your place in the market. What's one pain point in your community that you could address with a creative solution? Let us know in the comments. Also stay tuned for our next video where I'll show you the framework that drives measurable growth, performance marketing. See you then.